Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror any iPhone to Google TV Streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both iPhone and Google TV Streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Let me go to this iPhone and open the settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this iPhone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, this Google TV Streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in Google TV Streamer, we need to install one app. This is an app, AirScreen. We can install this AirScreen app or Air Mirror Receiver app, both will work. In this video, I will be using this AirScreen app. We can use this search field. Here you can search for AirScreen and install this app. See, this is the details of the app. As I said, I already installed this app. Let me open. Select continue, press OK button on the remote, set grant, set while using the app, set confirm. We can close this screen. From top right corner, select that close icon, set yes. Now it's initializing, please wait. Done. Now app is ready. Next, go to this iPhone. From top right corner, swipe down. Tap on this screen mirroring icon. Here you can see AS Google TV Streamer, this same name. Tap on this name. Please wait. Done. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the screen. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. Next, I will show you how we can stop this. From top right corner, again swipe down. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.